Guys, there's this event, boss fight, and we're gonna do it. We're trying to beat it, so make sure to like and subscribe. Dang it. Wait, he is? Oh, never mind. He's not dead. Look at his health. Come on, guys. We got this.
Yo, I can't move. Hold on.
Okay, so like this is like technically like the biggest boss fight I've ever had in like any game. Okay. No, ugh. I keep getting hit. So it's basically you come over here and then you stay on this. Should sound like Meat Man's coming. And then just grab weapons and kill him. Oh, and I suck at this thing. Ugh, I keep dying.
How did you not die?
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We gotta defeat him. Kidding me? Hit the heart, guys. The heart is
We've already done this.
Okay, come on, guys. Hang on. Bro, can you move like? No. Oh, okay. This one takes 14 damage. That's why I would.
Come hit it. Hit the heart.
But I also suck at throwing, and if it hits something, then it dies.
He almost died. Guys, he almost died. Guys, come on. Break it down. Okay. Hey, little buddy.
Oh no. Okay. So that means anybody on the floor would die.
Go hit it.
Dang it. Ugh. So guys, I'll have to plug in my headset real quick. So don't bug me or mind. Okay guys. Just wait, hang on. I'm charging my headset. And boom, we could go. And guys, make sure to like and subscribe because this is a really good. We could kill him, guys.
The eyes are weakness.
I did it.
Keep shooting. You got 5 seconds. Keep shooting.
Come on, guys, we still got it. Fuck, are you kidding me?
Kill him? Do we actually kill him?
Put as many
So guys,
Guys, you're in the cut 12. You're in the cut 12. You're in the cut 12. No one can hear what you're saying.
12?
You're in the cut 12. 12. You're in the cut 12.
What are you talking about? What?
I'm putting
Join the code 12. 1 2. Join the code
12.
1 2. Join the code 12.
we're joining another code with another event. Or this might be the wrong code.
Guys, you guys want to do a boss fight?
Guys, what does it mean to thief from Meat Man?
Guys, bro, guess what? Bro, what's the pillow even do? I'll be weird.
Okay,
So you can see people.
guys, I guess that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe and stuff.
What is your grade?
What game I should play? Bye.
Bye.